Hey church, I'm Vanessa and this is John and welcome to GT Connect. We are so glad to have you in this service, and if you're a visitor, we'd like to welcome you as well. We love our GT Littles. Here at GT Connect, we believe that children are a gift from God Himself. That's why we strive to have a fun, safe, comfortable, and loving learning environment for them.
Our caretakers rock and read and feed and care for your children. And even the preschoolers learn the foundational truths about God through crafts and games.
Our classes are on Sunday services and on Wednesday nights at 7 p.m. If you want to learn more information about or want to be a part of this, please contact Kelsey Williams.
Our seniors ministry is called Prime Time, and they're going on a cruise. Join the Prime Timers for a 3-hour tour.
A 3-hour tour.
Out of Clearwater on October 12th. Lunch is included, plus the beautiful view of the Intercoastal.
You'll be taking a church van to and back, and if you have any further questions, please contact Pastor Ken Pippin or contact the church. GT Church needs leaders to help with our Royal Rangers program for boys. Royal Rangers is a program where we take boys and turn them into young men who make good decisions.
Clubs meet every Wednesday night at 7 and are designed to meet the boys at their individual levels and foster physical, mental, and emotional growth, and spiritual. If you would like to help, contact Pastor Dale or the church office. There's a new Bible study coming in October, and it's called In Heaven as It Is on Earth. It's going to focus on prayer and embrace 3 vital elements that are outlined in the Lord's Prayer. Now, this is a very serious one, isn't it?
Yes.
All right, so I'm going to read the 3 elements. Number 1, praise. By recognizing who He is and what He has already done. 2, petition. Give us this day our daily bread and forgive our trespasses. And 3, worship. For yours is the kingdom and the power and the glory forever and ever. Amen.
God's promise to His people, Psalm 34:15, is prayer ministry open to all people of Christian faith. It will be led by Rick Janico and Wade Schaefer and will meet on the 2nd and 4th Tuesday of each month beginning in October in the choir room at 6:30 p.m. Pastor is about to make his way on up, but in the meantime, check in on Facebook.
And I want to tell you, we have an apologetics group at Heath's house every 2nd and 4th Monday night. And if you don't know, apologetics is defending the faith by any means necessary. And if you would like to know more information, let Heath know. If you know any young adults ages 20 in their 30s, come on out because it's really fun. We have great fellowship and we just experience and talk out the word together. It's awesome. Well, that's all we got. Thanks for watching GT Connect.
And we'll see you next week.